Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on auto dubbing on YouTube. If you are uploading videos and you want to turn on auto dubbing on multi-language, just go into your YouTube studio and then go into settings. Now go into upload default. Now go into advanced settings. Automatic dubbing. You are eligible for early access to automatic dubbing. Enable it to try dubbing on your next upload. So just press enable. Allow automatic dubbing. Manually review dubs before publishing. Review dubs on all language. And then click save. That way you will enable automatic dubbing on your YouTube videos. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.